Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today is day 4 in the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And we are going to be using a sketch designed by Susan Stringfellow from Sketch Savvy. Now, when I took a look at this sketch, the first thing I noticed was the blocks of paper or whatever right there. And I knew I had this paper right here that I got from the Hip Kit Club. Now, I think this paper is actually from Pink Fresh Studios. I think it's their Happy Heart collection or something along those lines, and I just love it. It is one of my favorites, and I knew I had to just save this paper. Meh. This is fun. So I'm going to be playing off this rainbow of color today with my son's picture. Keep the sketch right there for you. Of him playing and having a happy rainbow shirt on. So what I have done so far is that I have matted my photo to bring forward some of the more vibrant colors. And I did that because these are pastels and everything in my photo is vibrant. I also really want to use some of these cute stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I mean, I don't know that they're safe for scrapbooking or photo safe or anything. I doubt it. So I did make sure to mat everything, and these will not be touching my photo. Okay. Let's start. So what I did is I matted in the black first, and I used my We Are layer guides at the 1/8 inch all the way around. And then I pulled a smaller paper pad that's 4.5 by 6.5. And each of those papers is one of those 4.5 by 6.5 papers. Now this is not cardstock. This one's just a regular old piece of paper. So I'm okay with it being on the very bottom layer to bring in some of that darker blue. So my photo is going to land right here just like my sketch. And I'm going to play off color blocking just a little bit. Now I won't be able to color block with this as much because this is multicolor. So I'm going to focus my title on color blocking. Now, part of the Hip Kit Club, they have supplied acetate words. So we're going to go ahead and use those today. Trying to use up that collection. So I've got this cute little saying that says, "So many reasons to be happy." That's going to land right there. And then I've got love, so many reasons to be happy. And then I've got this big happy piece that's going to land like right about here. Now when I laid all of this out, my photo was not this big. This is a massive mat. So I'm going to have to shift some things around. So let's go like that maybe. Just kind of shift it over a little bit. And then I've got unexpected in the yellow. And then memories down here in pink. So notice that the pink's not in here. That's okay. We'll address that later. Now I've got a little boy collection that I've started, and it's got trains, buttons, stickers, all that fun stuff. My cluster really is just one. That's right here. But instead I'm just going to do a band of clusters right. I don't think I'm going to put journaling on this photo. I just think it's super cute. I love the colors, and I just wanted to scrapbook it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm scrapbooking it. Other things that I've got in my collection are this sticker book, Little Dreamer from Echo Park. Got some brads, and I've got a jelly bean soup. Just some random things to play with and consider as I am working through building my clusters. I know for sure I want to use these puffy stickers. So that is definitely happening. But I want to see if I can add a couple things. Like, look at these cute clouds. I might just add a couple of these fun little clouds here. Kind of give it some interest up in that corner. And then we've got some green. Maybe tuck that right underneath for some green. And I am just going to continue. I don't want to do that one. To use all of the colors that I've got here. A lot of these stickers, this is one thing I don't really like about our Echo Park. A lot of words. I don't need words. I need icons. That's what I need. Oh, this is cute. Go. Okay. Then we've got some banners and words, and I think we kind of start over here soon. There's some orange. Could add some orange. Orange little scallop here. Maybe right across that, and then I will, there we go. And then put my acetate piece kind of a little bit over. That's a little bit of fun. Let's see, I've got blue. I need some yellow. So here is some yellow. I'm not liking this unexpected part. That's okay. I can just get rid of it. Let's put some yellow. Kind of do a little bit of a torn edge there. Got some of that, don't need it. Okay. I'm not really seeing much else to add besides my little fun things right there. So we already went through that. That's all I need. That's totally fine. I'm actually going to get rid of this. I don't need any more words on there. A couple of those. Now let's add these. I think these are the best part of this page, or at least I think they're going to be. I don't know if they will or not. I just love hot air balloons. So here's a cute little deal right there. And let's see, let's get this orange plain on here. It's going to overlap a little bit, and that's okay. I just think these are so fun. They are dimensional, so I don't know if you can see. I can kind of pop them down. And I feel like I need one more, just one more. Maybe put something red down here. Ooh, I forgot this. Red, orange, and green. Hot air balloon. Look how cute that is. Okay, I need something. I need something right here. Yay, it looks like grass. That's cute. Okay, now I got a spot here that I need something in. It's never going to be filled. Look how cute these are. Okay, so let's talk about how to adhere these here. I kind of already, I don't know, made my peace with where this was landing. So I'm going to use some diamond glazed. You can use your glossy accents as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of cover this whole area. Make a line. Because I know what's going to happen is once I press this down, it's going to spread out. And when it spreads out, I gotta be quick to wipe it away. So there's that. Now this is dimensional adhesive. So whatever is left needs to be wiped away. Otherwise it's gonna create lump and bump on your page that you don't really want. Okay, so there's that. And we're gonna put the word love kind of all around there. That's a little bit of a bigger word. So make sure we get enough of it to spread out everywhere so it doesn't look a little weird. Okay. And there's that one done. Okay. So now we're moving on. See how it kind of looks a little bit funky behind it? Oh well. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, and then happy gets a couple dots. A little dot there. Okay. I probably added too much, and that's okay. At least maybe move it around a little bit. What will happen eventually is that everything will adhere nice and neat. Okay, so that one, wiping away excess, is done. Okay, now the word memories. Learning from my last mistake with the other one. Just going to put a lot on there. Okay. Happy memories. Squish it down. Perfect. Wipe this off. And there's that. So my page is pretty much done. Following that sketch from Susan Stringfellow at Sketch Savvy. Look at how fun that is. And I think JJ, when he's younger, older, I don't know, probably even now, will love pressing on these. They kind of make a popping noise. I think they're cute. So don't forget your local Dollar Tree has super cute stuff too now. I got some fun stickers from there. Like, look at this dad one. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have fun with this one right here. That's gonna happen soon. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out who else is playing along with the 30 Days of Sketches. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.